Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your laptop. So if you want to align two or more up to four different windows on your screen, what you have to do is grab the top bar of one window, any of the windows you have opened, and drag it to the top of your screen, and you'll see the bar with the list of options for aligning your windows. For example, if I have two applications opened, I'm gonna go with one of these options, one of these three options, because the fourth option lets me align three windows on my screen, and the last one lets me align four different windows. So, for example, I'm gonna leave this File Explorer window on the left, and then I'm gonna select the Browser tab as the window for the right side, and now I can use both of them simultaneously. I can also resize them by dragging this bar in the middle between the windows, and this way you can align up to four windows on your device's screen. And that's basically how you use the split screen feature. Right now you can, once you finish, you can close the windows and align them however you want. Basically, that's it for this video. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.